This is a recap for Thursday, January 20th. Please have your notes open so that you can write down a couple of examples that we did in class. So we changed 48 miles per hour to miles per minute. So how we do this is we're going to multiply it, and we want to have hours on the top. So we're going to put 1 hour right there, and we have to have this be a 1. So we're trying to change it to minutes. So 60 minutes equals 1 hour. So I'll just abbreviate that. Minutes. So because hour is a numerator here and a denominator here, we can just cancel it out. Hour divided by hour is 1. That leaves us with 48 times 1. And then 1 times 60. We still have miles. And this is going to be in 1 minute. 1 minute. So if you do 48 divided by 60, you're going to get 0.8. So that's 0.8 miles in 1 minute. Or 0.8 miles per minute. When we try to change 9 kilometers per hour to meters per minute, we have to do this process twice. So we're going to multiply, and we're going to put 1 hour on the top, just like we did before, 60 minutes on the bottom. So hour will cancel with hour. This time though, we're going to do 9 divided by 60, because this 9 is a numerator and the 60 is the denominator. Then we do on our calculators 60 divided by, or 9 divided by 60, and that's 0.15. So what we end up with is 0.15 kilometers every minute. So now we want to change those kilometers to meters. So we're going to have to, again, multiply by 1. We need kilometers on the bottom, so 1 kilometer. And we want meters, and this is the conversion rate is 1,000 meters for every kilometer. So now I'm going to change to a third color here, because kilometers are going to cancel out. 0.15 times 1,000 is 150. So we've got 150 meters. We still have minutes, so every 1 minute. So 150 meters per minute. So we did those notes, and then after that in class today, we got our our proportion booklet out and started working on it. And we want a section for ratios, rates, and unit rates. So here are some videos that you can use to start getting information about ratios, rates, and unit rates. And what's really important is how are they defined, how are they different, and what are some examples. So take some time to go through these videos and start building your proportion booklet that will eventually be used on a unit test. And then finally in class, we did do Plickers, and you can't really make that up until you get back in class. But I did add what I call week 14 ratio and rates quizzes check, and you can do that. So just go ahead and go in there, and I can't actually show this to you, but you can click on it and go do the problems. And I highly encourage you to write down what you're going to put on your calculator. That's really going to help. That is a recap for Thursday, January 20th.